Imagine this. You're in the kitchen, the gas is on, you're cooking, your phone is in your hand. Then someone suddenly says, "Hey, drop that phone. It can cause a gas explosion." Your heart skips, you freeze, and a question hits your mind. Is that actually true? Today, we're breaking this down properly, using technology, science, and facts, not fear. And I'll give you the real yes or no answer, but not yet. Stay with me.
So let me pick and I put it to speaker. This is also on speaker. This is normal call. So put the speaker on top of the burner, nothing still happened. Let me even put it directly. Nothing still happened. So let me still put it on so you see that the gas is actually running. Let me do the call on. As you can see, both of the burners we are still running. Let me even test it to see why they are running. This is normal call. Nothing still happened. Some people will say that I should put it on the cylinder. I should put it on the cylinder. This is the cylinder over here. Don't know if you can see the cylinder. Let me check. Actually, the color is still on. Nothing happened. No explosion.
Gas is dangerous. Everyone knows that. Cooking gas is highly flammable, and when it leaks into the air, it mixes with oxygen. When that mixture meets a strong ignition source, that's when explosions happen. So naturally, people start asking, what about my phone? Because phones are electronic, and electronics sound like sparks. A gas explosion doesn't happen just because gas is present. Three things must come together: gas in the air, oxygen, a strong ignition source. That ignition source is usually something obvious: lighting a match, using a lighter, turning on a faulty switch, or exposed electrical sparks. So the real question becomes, does a phone create that kind of ignition? Modern smartphones are tightly sealed devices. Their batteries, circuits, and components are enclosed inside protective layers. When your phone rings, vibrates, connects to the internet, or loads social media, there is no open spark released into the air. Phones are designed to operate safely around people, in homes, offices, cars, and yes, kitchens. That's not an accident. That's engineering. So why do people still believe phones are dangerous around gas? Because in industrial environments, like oil refineries or gas plants, phones are restricted. But here's the key difference. Those environments have constant, high concentrations of flammable gas in the air. That's why workers use special devices called intrinsically safe phones. Your kitchen is not an oil refinery. The rules there are extreme because the environment is extreme. Another thing people worry about is phone batteries. Yes, phone batteries can overheat in rare cases. But overheating is not the same thing as producing an instant ignition spark in open air. Those incidents usually involve damaged phones, fake chargers, or severe abuse, not normal use while cooking. If there's a gas leak in your kitchen, then any electrical activity becomes risky. Not just phones, turning on lights, plugging in appliances, using matches or lighters, faulty sockets. In that situation, the problem isn't your phone. The problem is the gas leak. So what should you do if you smell gas? Don't panic. Don't flip switches. Don't light anything. Open windows and doors. Turn off the gas supply if it's safe. Leave the area and call a professional. Safety is about understanding the real risk, not guessing. Now let's answer the big question. Can a phone cause a gas explosion in the kitchen?
It's already ringing here. Let me pick it up. So I'll put it on loudspeaker so you see that the call is actually active. And the phones are on both of the burners, and both of these burners are working. So I will show you that
No. A normal smartphone does not produce enough spark or ignition to cause a gas explosion during regular use. Gas explosions are caused by leaks and strong ignition sources, not phones. So the next time someone panics when you pick up your phone in the kitchen, you'll know the truth. Technology isn't the enemy. Misinformation is. If this helped you understand the real risk, like, subscribe, and share this, because safety facts are too important to get wrong.